8, wake up kog 5. Kung 7, wake up kog 4. 6, wake up 3. Kaya 5, wake up 2.
Oops. We're here na, oh. This is already na iya.
Yung ano naman, cute ko.
Oh. Na iya 3. Na iya 3.
When your alarm sounds, do you normally like just wake up like this, like?
Yeah, akong ipinduton ulit ang phone.
Today was actually this way.
Mag-set kog alarm katulo kayo sa di kong
The
bangon.
moment it's set, yung anime ako. As in literally instant, pero like wow. Maybe they had good sleep. It's 9, then 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's 7 hours of sleep. 7 hours of sleep.
Yeah. Oh, Mega World is there. Mega World.
What's that?
Mega World.
I wonder if there's not that.
This is it. Ninoy Aquino International Airport.
Let's go.
Salamat po. Salamat.
Wala na po na.